Hi, let's move on to question 4 from this past paper. This page is a goldmine for core molecular genetics and evolution marks. It covers DNA structure, mutations, and evolutionary evidence. Let's maximize your score on these 3 sub-questions. Question A wants a 3-mark compare and contrast of DNA and RNA structure. Remember, to score all 3 marks, you should clearly state what they share and how they differ. For similarities, note that both are polymers of nucleotides made of a sugar, phosphate, and nitrogenous base, and both use adenine, guanine, cytosine. For differences, hit the big 3. DNA uses deoxyribose sugar, features thymine, and is double-stranded. RNA uses ribose sugar, features uracil, and is single-stranded. Mentioning 1 similarity and 2 differences easily secures the full 3 marks. Moving to question B, we need to describe 2 types of DNA mutations for 2 marks. Type 1 is a base substitution, where a single base is swapped for another, potentially altering just 1 codon. Type 2 is an insertion or a deletion. Explain to the examiner that adding or removing a base causes a frameshift mutation. This alters the reading frame for every single triplet codon downstream, drastically changing the protein. Finally, question C asks how analyzing DNA-based sequences provide evidence for evolution. This is all about the molecular clock concept. Your first mark point is species that share a closer evolutionary relationship will have more similar DNA-based sequences because they diverged from a common ancestor more recently. Your second mark point explains the timing. The number of differences in the base sequences is proportional to the time since divergence, which allows scientists to construct precise evolutionary lineage trees. Break it down with these specific key terms and you will ace your molecular biology exams. Drop your questions below and follow for the next page.